Hello everyone. Yesterday I finished in the part 5 exercise 11.1 first Roman, 11.4 first Roman and second Roman. Here we have third sum. Look at here. Show that square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a. We have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. So third sum. So given that LHS is equal to square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. We just take the rationalization for this. 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a into, here 1 minus sin a is there. That's why I am taking this denominator and numerator. I want to multiply with 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. The opposite sign has to take here to multiply the numerator and the denominator. That implies square root of 1 plus sin a of 1 plus sin a. For both the roots are there, no? That's why I am taking the whole root. Okay. By 1 minus sin a of 1 plus sin a. That implies. So here square root of 2 times is there. 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a whole square by, here it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So by using this formula, 1 square minus sin square a. Okay, I am separating this root for both the numerator and denominator. 1 by 1 plus sin a whole square whole by square root of 1 square means 1 minus sin square a. So look at here, square root cancelled. So that implies 1 plus sin a by, so here we have one trigonometric identity, that is equal to sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So we just take this sign into other side. So then you will get cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So I am using this formula. So in the place of this 1 minus sin square a, I am writing this cos square a, square root of cos square a, square root cancelled. That implies 1 plus sin a by cos a. So I am separating this cos a 2 for both the terms. That implies 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. But we know that 1 by cos a is nothing but secant a plus the reciprocal of this cos is nothing but secant a, and sin a by cos a is nothing but tan a. That implies RHS. Here we finished, hence we proved. So here we finished the third sum. Okay, now we have, look at here, fourth sum. Show that 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. Here also we have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So look at here, fourth sum. Given that LHS is equal to 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1. That implies 1 minus tan square a by, we know that cot a is equal to 1 by tan. So the reciprocal of this tan is nothing but cot a. So in the place of this cot a, I am writing this 1 by tan a square minus 1. That implies 1 minus tan square a whole by, here LCM is tan square a. So tan square is there in the denominator, hence 1 minus, here 1 is there, 1 into tan square a, tan square a, tan square a. Okay, that implies 1 minus tan square A into the reciprocal of this denominator. So tan square A whole by 1 minus tan square A. So 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A cancelled. That implies tan square A. Here it is RHS. Hence proved. So here we finished this fourth sum. Okay, next fifth sum. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Tan theta into sin theta. So here also we have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. Fifth one, given that LHS is equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to, we just take the LCM of these two. Okay, take the LCM. So cos theta. Okay, cos theta is there here, hence I am writing this 1 minus 1 in 1 cos theta. Cos theta is not there in the denominator, so cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. That is equal to 1 minus cos square theta means, look at here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I just take this cos square theta into other side. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. In the place of this 1 minus cos square theta, I am writing this sin square theta by cos theta. I just separate these square. Okay, so here two sin thetas are there. That implies, so sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so we just separate this one. So sin theta by cos theta into, only sin theta is remained here. It's not a plus. If it is plus, I will take this cos for both. Here it is into. That's why I am writing only sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta into sin theta. That implies tan theta into sin theta. Here it is RHS. Hence proved. Okay, here we finished this fifth sum. These all are show that. Show that means we have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. Now it is sixth sum, that is simplify. We have to simplify this equation. Okay, so only the one equation is there here, not a LHS and RHS. We have to simplify this equation. Look at here. So sixth sum, given that secant A of 1 minus sin A of secant A plus tan A. Okay, that implies, you just multiply this secant A into each and every term of this one. You just leave this, but here you just multiply secant A into 1 secant A minus secant A into sin A. Okay, secant A into sin A. You just don't change this one, secant A plus tan A. Okay, that implies secant A minus secant A means 1 by cos A. The reciprocal of this cos is nothing but secant. So secant A plus tan A. That implies secant A minus 1 into sin A by cos A. Secant A plus tan A. That implies secant A minus sin A by cos A means tan A. Secant A plus tan A. So it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. So secant square A minus tan square A. Already we know that A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. Just like that I am writing here. Okay, A square minus B square. And we know that trigonometric identity is there. Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. That's it. It is the answer for this sixth question. Okay, next seventh. We just write this answer. It's somehow lengthy. So small sum, but it will give lengthiest step. Okay, that's why I am taking the book like this. Okay, so seventh sum. You also, it is better to take the book just like a horizontal way. Okay, so given that we have to prove this equation, we have to prove this equation to this. So sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. We have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to, okay, sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square. That implies here a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So by using of this formula I am elaborating this. Okay, sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a cosecant a plus here cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a secant a. Okay, that implies here sin square a cos square a. You just write these two at one place. Sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, plus cosecant square a means we want this tan square a and cot square a in RHS. We want this tan square a and cot square a. That's why I am taking one trigonometric identity, that is nothing but cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We know that. Okay, we just take this 1 into other side. So cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Yes, so I am using this formula here. So in the place of this cosecant square a, in the place of this cosecant square a, I am taking this 1 plus cot square a. Okay, so 1 plus cot square a plus here, look at here, 2 sin a. Cosecant a means reciprocal of sin. 1 by sin we can write it as. Okay, plus already we wrote this cos square a here. Okay, in the place of secant square a, you just look after. So one more trigonometric identity is there. What is that? Secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. You just take this tan into other side. Secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. So in the place of this secant square a, I am writing this 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a plus here 2 cos a into secant a means the reciprocal of cos. Okay, the reciprocal of cos. That implies the formula for this 1 plus cot square a plus sin a cancel, 2 ones 2 plus 1 plus tan square a plus cos a cancel, here 2 ones 2, that's it. So add all the numbers, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7. Okay, 7 plus cot square a plus remaining we have to write tan square a. Here we have RHS, hence proved. Look at here, in this sum, first of all we have to write this a plus b whole square. Elaborate this a plus b whole square. Then you just write at one place, sin square a, cos square a, you just write at one place. Plus by the trigonometric identity of this cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. You just take this cot square theta on the other side. In the place of this cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. In the place of this cosecant square theta, 1 plus cot square theta. 2 into sin a, cosecant means 1 by sin, that is reciprocal of sin. So in the place of, already we wrote this cos square theta here. So in the place of the secant, according to the trigonometric identity, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square a plus 2 cos a into secant means 1 by cos, reciprocal of this cos. Okay. So here the value of this one, trigonometric identity is 1. The remaining I am writing here. Sin a cancelled, cos a cancelled. So we got all the numbers are 7 cot square a plus tan square a, that is RHS. I think you understand this one. Okay, just better to write in the horizontal way of your book. Okay, next. So look at, we finished this 7th one, then 8th. Look at here, simplify 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. We have to simplify this equation. Okay, 8th one. So given that 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cot square theta. So look after here, it is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is 1 square minus cos square theta. So here we just write in the same way. Okay, 1 plus cot square theta. That implies 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Look at here, trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, you just take out this one. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So in the place of this 1 minus cos square theta, I am writing this sin square theta into cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So in the place of this 1 plus cot square theta, cosecant square theta. Cosecant square theta, that is equal to sin square theta into 1 by sin square theta. Why? Because cosecant it is nothing but 1 by sin. All the sums it is completely belongs to your formulas. If you know all the formulas in the trigonometry, it is very easy to solve the sums. Okay, sin square theta. The reciprocal of the sin is nothing but cosecant square theta. Sin square theta is cancelled. So 1. It is the answer for this 8th question. Now it's time to explain this 9th one. So if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? Okay, 9th one. So given that secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Okay, we have to find out the secant theta minus tan theta. So we know that secant square theta, what is the relation between these two? We have one trigonometric identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Look at here, but it is in form of a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Just like that you just write this one. Okay, so then you will get. So we know that the trigonometric identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. No, I am writing this one as a plus b into a minus b. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. That implies, we know that already given that secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. In the place of this secant theta plus tan theta, P you just write secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. That implies secant theta minus tan theta is equal to P. It comes into denominator 1 by P. So here it is the value of the secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. That is the answer for this 9th question. Okay, now we have the last but not least, it is very important sum, and for your final examinations it comes so many times, it will come so many times. Okay, in final examinations you just carefully listen this sum. Okay, 10th sum. So if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. 10th one. So given that cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Okay, just like the above, you just do first one. Okay, we know that what is the trigonometric identity which is used for these two. So we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, that implies cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. That implies, already given that cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. In the place of this cosecant theta plus cot theta, I am writing this k into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. So that implies cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. You just remind it. Now add equation number 1 and equation number 2. Add. That implies equation number 1 is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Equation 2 is cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. It is very important, you just listen carefully. So adding of these two, right? So cosecant theta plus cosecant theta, 2 cosecant theta plus cot theta minus cot theta cancelled. That is equal to k plus 1 by k. This 2 has to add. Okay, so that implies 2 cosecant theta is equal to LCM of these two, k. Okay, 1 is there, k is not k is not there, right? K into k square minus plus k into k square plus k is there in the denominator, hence 1. Okay, this is equation number 3. Now subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2. That implies equation number 1 is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. That implies cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. You just change the symbols. Why? Because it is subtracting by ourselves, right? So plus cosecant theta minus cosecant theta cancelled. Here plus cot theta plus cot theta. Cot theta plus cot theta, 2 cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k. So 2 cot theta is equal to LCM of these two, k. 1 is there, k is not there, k into k square minus k is there but 1 is not, no, k is there now in the denominator, that's why 1. Okay, this is equation number 4. Look at here, we want cos theta in the RHS, cos theta in the RHS. Okay, so here I am taking this equation number 4, divide equation number 4 by equation number 3. Okay, equation 4 by equation 3. That implies equation number 4 is 2 cot theta by equation number 3 is 2 cosecant theta, that is equal to k square minus 1 by k whole by k square plus 1 by k. So I am substituting the equation 4 at numerator, equation 3 at denominators. That implies 2 cancelled. Okay, cot theta means cos theta by sin theta whole by cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta is equal to k square by minus 1 by k into reciprocal of the denominator, k by k square plus 1. K cancelled. That implies cos theta by sin theta into reciprocal of this one, sin theta by 1, that is equal to k, numerator that is k square minus 1, denominator k square plus 1, sin cancelled, that implies cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here we have RHS, hence proved. Okay, so just like that you have to finish this 10th sum. Here we finished in this part 5, we finished this trigonometry completely. Just prepare it well, and if you have any doubts, you just clarify that doubts in the class. Okay, thank you.